Hi kids, the Puppet Pals have been learning about ways to calm down when they have a strong emotion. We've been looking at this Calm Down Toolbox. Come join me as we watch them use these tools to help calm down. Oh, Sylvie, it looks like you're upset. What are you feeling?
I'm not feeling happy. My sister has a friend over to play, and they're playing a game, and they said I can't play with them.
Oh, dear. Well, what sounds like maybe you are feeling jealous.
Well, what's jealous?
Well, jealous is what you feel when somebody else has or gets to do something that you don't.
Oh, then yes, I feel jealous of my sister.
Okay, well, let's look at our color feeling chart. Is this a red, yellow, or green feeling?
I think this is a yellow feeling, but I want to calm down.
I don't blame you. So let's go pick 2 tools from your toolbox. Okay, let's look at our choices. The first one is hug a stuffed animal.
What is that going to do?
Well, when we're feeling like this, sometimes when we hug a stuffed animal, we can end up feeling like this. Your other choice is to ask a friend to play.
Well, I think I could ask my little brother to play. Then I will have something to do too.
Oh, that sounds like a good plan. Once you start playing with your little brother, you'll be having fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Pancho, it looks like you feel sad. You might have a red feeling.
Well, I am really sad. I lost my favorite ball.
Oh, and I know that that was very special to you. Well, let's see if we can pick some tools from your toolbox to help you calm down. Would you like to get a hug or think happy thoughts?
I could use a hug right now.
Here we go.
Well, thank you. I think I feel a lot better now, but I'm still sad about my lost ball.
Of course. But now that you're calm, we can see if we can solve that problem together. Hey, Curly. Wow, it's late. I didn't think you'd be working on your chores this late.
Well, I've been playing tag and I just finished my chores. And no.
Oh, dear. Looks like you feel embarrassed. Do you feel embarrassed because you spilled the bucket?
I am embarrassed.
You know, it's okay to make mistakes. You know, it's really late. I know when I'm tired, I tend to make more mistakes.
Really?
Curly, let's pick some cards from your Calm Down Toolbox.
Okay.
Would you like to get a drink of water or take a rest?
I think I need to do both.
I think that's a good idea. Here's some water. Okay. Wow, Curly really was tired. She's sleeping already. Sometimes we just need to take a rest. Hey kids, the Puppet Pals were able to use cards from their Calm Down Toolbox. It helped them when they had yellow or red feelings. You can try doing some of these cards yourself. It can help you the next time you have a strong emotion, because that's what leaders do.